as you go through this, this is what you're going to reference when you forget the things I'm about to show you. It's the first time. You probably should forget it. If you already knew it, you probably shouldn't be here, right? So, I gave you a link on the slide presentation, but it's almost easier just to type in Desmos graphing calculator. That's what we're using today. And last year when you used it, you probably did stuff like this. You like made a line, messed with the line, compared lines, slope, y-intercept, okay? What we're going to do today is it actually does stat stuff. So we're going to make up a fake set of numbers. I'm going to call this set A. Notice my A is capital. It matters. And I'm going to use this bracket, that square bracket. That also matters. So I'm just going to put random numbers in here. 4, 5, 2, 2, 12, 4, 15, 8, 12, 5, 5, 2, 2, 1. Let's do that many. 14. And I'm going to close it up. Notice, do I even have to put my numbers in least to greatest? No. Well, maybe I need to, but right now I didn't. This tells me right now I have 14 pieces of data in this set, and my set is called set A. Okay? Let me show you stuff you can do. Let's say you forget the things I'm about to show you. You look at the presentation we started with, okay? So would you agree finding the average, take a lot of clicks with a calculator can be a little clumsy? Check this out. Mean of set A. It's 5.6428571426. There it is. We're going to practice this today. Let's say, hey, I want to make a box plot. So I want the 5-numbered set. Okay, check this out. Stats A. There's my minimum, my first quartile, my median, my third quartile, and max. Watch how easy it is to find the interquartile range right now. 8 minus 2 is 6. Kind of nice, huh? Not hard to do when we're doing it, but a lot of places to mess up takes time. Let's say, okay, Mr. Mac, but I need to make a dot plot. Watch this. Dot plot A. Woo! Let's go. Okay. Check this out. Histogram A. You got to be careful with histogram. And this is on that slide presentation. It is dumb. It's only doing what I'm telling it to do.
Isn't that smart?
No. So check this out.
Does that mean we're dumb?
I'm recording you right now, John, just so you know. John, you're on here right now, just so you know, my man. Okay. So one thing you'll see on the slide presentation, if you were to zoom in right here, let's see, let's look. Notice under histogram, it says you need to select left instead of center. So I'm going to go and I'm going to select left instead of center. And this gives me my 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and so on. Let's say, remember those tomatoes? We didn't want 5, we switched from 10 to 5, the interval. Watch this. I'm going to go comma 2. Now I have an interval of 2 like that. We want an interval of 3? Boom, interval of 3, just like that. Changing intervals on the fly, baby. Okay? So that's histogram. But I think the one that takes a lot of work is the box plot. Check it. Whoops. Box plot. I screwed up. A. So, quickly, I see my minimum, I see my maximum, I see my median, I see my first quartile, I see my third quartile. We have all the tools to answer all the questions we've been asking all year. Notice I've done this a few times now, and I can type quickly. That's pretty quick. But let's say I want to describe the distribution. This isn't going to tell me that. So looking maybe at the dot plot, who would like to take a shot at the shape of this distribution? Matty Ice, what are you thinking?
Is that skewed to the right or the left?
I'd say skewed right. And the way you check yourself on that is there's some stuff to the right, and that stuff is doing what to my average? Pulling it up. Okay? Awesome. That is the... No, there's more data on the left, so the little data on the right pulls the middle to the right.
That's why.
That is everything you need to know how to do on this, to do the one problem with a bunch of steps you need to do today. So just make sure, when you forget the exact thing, and remember, these are picky, lowercase, uppercase, everything matters. You get it all right here on the slideshow I shared with us. You just type in, this is exactly what I did. You're going to have a different set of data, though. And that's what we're going to work on today. One problem using all these tools. and then you're gonna finish your homework in class, hopefully.